Oh yeah. What up, what up? We are fixing this dent right here in the bottom of this door in this Dodge Journey. I'm gonna tell you what I'm gonna do and then I'm gonna get to it, all right? So here's what we're gonna do. Probably start off with some glue pulling, get the bulk of this out, knock down all this smile. And as you can see, there is a area where the metal is folded over a little bit this way. It might be folded over a little bit that way too. Might have to knock up this edge a little bit. We're gonna do glue pull, knock down all this stuff, and we'll probably finish it out with a paddle tool because these ooh, look, someone's already been here. Someone's already been trying to push this thing out from way back here. No, sir. Y'all don't let them hooligans mess with your car. Make sure you got somebody who knows what they're doing. Because things are easy if you know what you're doing. All right, first I'm gonna try some cold glue. This is Cold Snap by Dent Slayer. And that's SERGIOUS blue. Oh yeah. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes. Yes, sir. What you know about that cold glue, son? All right, this is what it looks like after the cold glue. We're gonna do some knocking down. All right. All right, we're about to get these last low areas out. And what we're gonna do with is this Dentcraft paddle tool. Boom, dentcrafttools.com. All right, we're going in from the top. Snake it on down there. Switching to the orange handle. It's got a little bit of a wider tip, paddle tip. And we're pushing this out. Here we go. That's what she looks like.